What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. My name is Oscar Ramos, your host, and in this movie, I want to talk about Terra Luna Classic LUNC price prediction because, well, what we just saw in the last 24 hours during the weekend here at the beginning of October was amazing. And our channel, Oscar Ramos, also we saw a live reaction to the price when it was pumping during October 1st. And as you can tell right now with this, the price has come down a little bit and now it's in a way consolidating a bit more. It's a couple of different lines that I want to mention here. Number one, the 3003, the 3033, the 3036, and the 304. And I know it makes probably not such a big difference for a lot of people when you're looking long term, and I agree. But for us, the short term people that we're looking at each of every single event and what changes the price of LUNC, this is the difference from making $1,000 in an hour or not, because there's a lot of short trading right now. And what we're heading into when it comes to the price is the Binance Burns release from batch number 1. And that's going to be massive and huge. And I mean, in a way, I think that we're expecting more volatility later on. I see the RSI in the 15-minute chart has peaked, has come down, and is coming up again, as you're seeing right now on the screen. What do you guys think is going to happen with the price of LUNC? In my opinion, I'm hoping for a consolidation, and if I see 304 by the middle of next week, I'm happy. Have to remember, we have CPI data coming in October. We have an FOMC meeting coming in November, but we still have some more macro events that are affecting the prices of everything in the crypto and equity space. So not bad at all. Just to mention a couple of different reasons as far as why, if you're looking for a short-term opportunity with a community token that can give you nice, not only price appreciation, but a community, I think LUNC offers that for everybody. If you're a beginner, highly recommend you probably stay away from LUNC a little bit because it's gonna be too much for you. You might want to do some Bitcoin, Ethereum, Kwon, other more established blue chip tokens and coins. I think it's a great time for anyone to consider it right now. But if you have already allocated 80% to 70% in those good altcoins and big projects, and you are playing around with 5 to 10% just to see what happens, then at that point, not a bad idea to consider LUNC, not a bad idea to consider other different more risky investments. You got it? Thank you very much for watching, everybody. Go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time, guys. Peace, everybody. Let's go and stay tuned. Take a look at the link on the Discord server so you join our ClearCryptos page and become more aware of what we have for you. Bye.